This is not a test. Please stand by for instructions. This is a global emergency. For an unknown reason, there has been mass electrical blackouts and wildfires across the globe. From Fairbanks, Alaska to Tepic, Mexico, there is a 2-mile wide canyon that has a fiery pit with demon-like creatures crawling out, causing mass chaos. There is the same thing going on, but with the canyon going from Berlin, Germany to Moscow, Russia, Managua, Nicaragua to Santiago, Chile, and Bamako, Mali to Lusaka, Zambia. The affected countries are United States, Canada, Mexico, Germany, Poland, Belarus, Russia, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Chile, Mali, Niger, Chad, Sudan, South Sudan, Uganda, Tanzania, and Zambia. If you are in any of the affected countries, seek shelter immediately.
Get out of my way, mortal. No one can save y'all now.
There has just been a massive explosion that has taken out all of Oceania and most of Eastern Asia. The casualty count is in the billions. There is nothing we can do to save you. The only thing you can do is pray to God that you are spared. This message has been brought to you by